Okay, let's create a new file. I'm going to families and I'm taking new, and I'm going to take metric generic model. Let's go and find metric generic model. You can check this path here. Windows C, program data, Autodesk, Revit 2023, family template and English. So here I'm taking metric generic model. I'm taking this file and I'm going to open this template. Now the family file is open. First duty is to save the file. Let's save the file. I'm going to save it in the desktop. I'm going to save this as blend, in the name of blend. Okay, I'm taking options. Options is 1. So in this option I'm setting maximum backup file number as 1 and I'm giving OK and save. Now the file got saved. It is saved in blend name, and here this is what we get inside the family template, and it's a generic model template. You can check here. If you click here in the family category and parameters, you can see generic model is highlighting and always vertical is checked. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create blend in Revit, and I'm going to create this solid blend as parametric so that we can change our bottom profile and top profile, and we can adjust the height also. I'm going to take this blend tool. I'm going to make this family as parametric so that I can change bottom profile and top profile, and I should be able to update the height also. Okay, let's take blend tool. So here you can see now I'm editing bottom profile. You can see here it is showing edit top, so that means I'm going to draw bottom profile. So to make it simple, I'm going to take an circle. Okay, I'm going to take a circle. You can see here when I'm taking the circle, the radius temporary dimension is showing. Okay, so once I draw, so here it is showing the temporary dimension. I'm going to click here to make this temporary dimension as permanent. Okay, I'm giving double escape. To make this circle parametric, I'm going to select this dimension, and here I'm going to create a new dimension. Let's say this as family parameter and keep this as instant parameter, and let's keep the name as bottom radius. Bottom radius. Okay, and group under other. Okay, now you can see we have labeled bottom radius. Let's go for the top profile. Once you click, you can see the circle as gray. Let's draw the top profile. I'm drawing a circle, and here also I'm going to make this temporary dimension as permanent dimension. I'm giving double escape, select the dimension, and I'm going to label this dimension as top radius, and I'm going to keep this parameter as instant parameter and group this under other, and I'm going to say OK. Now bottom and top radius we can change. Now we have to work with the blend height. So here once I finish the sketch, if I select the blend, and here you can see second end, now it is showing 250. So here you can see here, I'm going to show you clearly. So you can see here there is a rectangular box. If you hover over your mouse, it is showing associate family parameter. If you click here, you can associate family parameter. If you don't have anything in the list, you can create new by clicking this new parameter button. Okay, click here and create a new parameter. Let's call it as height, and keep this as instant parameter and group this parameter under other. Okay, so let's keep these properties in the right hand side. Okay, so now you can check your parameter by clicking this family types. If you go here, you can see all the parameters, and when you see this as a default, that means by default when it is imported inside the project, it is going to be these values. Okay, now I'm going to load this into a project. First I'm saving the family file. Now I'm opening a new project file. Let's go to file, new project. You can choose any template. Okay, so it's an empty project. Okay, I can save this project. Let's save this project in the desktop. Let's say test 1 2 3. I'm giving maximum backup numbers to 1, and I'm giving OK, save, and here now I'm going to the family tab. So this is my blend. I'm going to load it into project and close. Okay, so now this has got loaded, and you can see I can place it directly. So this is my blend. If I go to 3D view, you can see this here. Once I select the blend, you can see under other I can change my bottom radius, height and top radius. I'm going to show you how this works. Let's keep this as 600, and you can see this is changing. Bottom radius, keep it to 500, and you can see this is changing, so it works. Top radius 350, and it works. So let us take a section. Keep this to a middle. Keep this to middle. Okay, now select, right click, and say go to view, WT, zoom all, right click, hide in view category. Okay, so this is how it is. Let's hide the level. So here also I can hide the level. I'm just going to show you how this works. Hide in view category, uncheck crop view. So now there is no material applied for this blend. Okay, in case if I'm applying, you have to select the blend, and you can go to edit family. Now you are into family, so let's not get confused. Go to view and check this tab views. So now you are inside family edit. So here select the blend, and in the property bar you can see material. So you can select the rectangular box to associate a family parameter for the material. Click here to create a new parameter for the material, and keep this as instant parameter and give OK. Now again load it into project and give save. I'm replacing the existing file and select the second one. Okay, so here now this is my project. If I give WT, you can see here once I select the blend, I can set material also. So here I can set material now. Select here and here select a material. Okay, so now this is very clear. It's a cross section, plan, and it's a 3D view. So this is my family. I hope now you have understood how to create a blend in families. Please try this blend model, and if you have any doubt, please write to me. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.